Cavities can occur in anyone, whether you are a little kid or an adult. A cavity is a form of tooth decay. Bacteria in the mouth can form acids that eat away at a tooth or multiple teeth, which can lead to cavities, infection, and even tooth loss. To help you out, we at Dherbs have put together a list with some of our favorite remedies. This week, we're covering the 5 natural remedies to help get rid of cavities. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, get your minerals. Because cavities can be caused by a lack of nutrients or minerals, it is beneficial to eat foods that are rich in vitamins D and K, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These foods can include leafy greens, bananas, sprouted beans, nuts, or seeds. Healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil can also be conducive to the health of your teeth. Number 2, rinse with lemon water. You can mix the juice from a whole lemon with a glass of warm water. Rinse this solution around in your mouth after brushing your teeth, so it acts like a natural mouthwash. Do this twice daily, and the anti-inflammatory properties in lemons may help soothe the cavity. Number 3, oil pulling. Oil pulling, which is a popular Ayurvedic remedy, can help reduce the bacteria that causes cavities. You can use sesame oil or organic non-hydrogenated coconut oil. Place 1 tablespoon of the desired oil in your mouth and swish it around for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do this every morning before brushing your teeth for about a month to help remedy cavities. Number 4, baking soda. Baking soda is a common home remedy for cavities because it can neutralize the acids in the mouth, which reduce the risk of developing gum disease or tooth decay. Because baking soda can be a bit abrasive, it is best to use it gently with a bit of olive oil. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of warm water or olive oil. Gently rub it onto the teeth and gums and rinse your mouth out with warm water after a few minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Number 5, guavas. Guava leaves have been known to help remedy toothaches and gum disease because they have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and analgesic properties. There's also something in the leaves that can act as an anti-plaque agent. Wash a couple leaves, chew them up, and spit them out. Do this twice a day for a couple of weeks. Cavities are extremely common, but it is best to treat them in the early stages before a larger infection or problem occurs. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.